The Google Pixel 8 Pro is a flagship smartphone that offers a wide array of impressive features, making it a top choice for Android enthusiasts. In this video, we'll delve into the phone's standout features that set it apart from the competition. Number 1. Advanced Camera System. The Pixel 8 Pro is renowned for its camera prowess. It boasts an upgraded camera system, with larger sensors and improved low-light performance. Whether you're capturing everyday moments, or shooting in challenging lighting conditions, the Pixel 8 Pro's camera delivers stunning results. Number 2. Astrophotography Mode. For stargazers and night photography enthusiasts, the Pixel 8 Pro offers a dedicated astrophotography mode. It allows you to capture breathtaking shots of the night sky with exceptional clarity. Number 3. Enhanced AI features. Google's powerful AI capabilities are at the heart of the Pixel 8 Pro. It excels in image processing, voice recognition, and various other AI-driven features that improve your smartphone experience. Number 4. Smooth display. The device features a high refresh rate display, ensuring smooth scrolling, responsive touch interactions, and fluid animations. It's a treat for anyone who values a premium visual experience. Number 5. Fast charging. When you're on the move, you'll appreciate the Pixel 8 Pro's fast charging capabilities. A few minutes of charging can provide you with several hours of usage, keeping you powered up throughout the day. Number 6. 5G connectivity. In an era of rapid connectivity, the Pixel 8 Pro doesn't disappoint. With 5G support, you can enjoy lightning-fast data speeds and a seamless online experience. Number 7. Water and dust resistance. With an IP68 rating, the Pixel 8 Pro can withstand water and dust exposure. This feature adds durability and peace of mind for those who lead active lives or enjoy outdoor adventures. Number 8. Long battery life. With efficient power management, the Pixel 8 Pro boasts a long-lasting battery. You can count on it to keep you connected and productive throughout the day. Number 9. Wireless charging. The convenience of wireless charging is at your fingertips. No need to plug in cables, simply place your Pixel 8 Pro on a wireless charger, and you're good to go. Number 10. 5 years of OS updates. Google's commitment to providing up to 5 years of Android OS updates ensures that your Pixel 8 Pro remains current and secure for an extended period.